Fishbowl app professional networking honest review. Watch before using networking in your industry can be tough, and most people get this wrong. They rely solely on LinkedIn or email connections. Fishbowl promises a platform for professional networking and candid industry discussions. But is it really useful? Fishbowl is a professional networking app where verified professionals join communities based on their field. The surprising truth is that unlike other social networks, Fishbowl encourages open, honest conversations. Users discuss workplace issues, career advice, and company culture in real time. You won't believe the level of detail some professionals share, from salary negotiations to interview tips. Here's how it works. You verify your professional credentials, join relevant bowls or communities, and start interacting. You can post questions, share experiences, or answer others. For example, if you're in marketing, you might ask how a company's remote policies affect productivity or what salary trends look like for your role. The platform allows anonymous posting, which increases transparency and honesty. Another benefit is networking opportunities. Fishbowl connects you with peers who understand your industry challenges. Most people assume all professional networking is about self-promotion, but Fishbowl focuses on knowledge sharing and peer support. However, there are considerations. Discussions can sometimes be highly subjective, and information should be cross-checked before acting on it. Also, Fishbowl is more useful in industries with active communities. Niche professions may have smaller participation. Most people expect it to replace LinkedIn entirely, but it's best used as a complementary tool for industry insight and advice. In conclusion, Fishbowl is a valuable platform for professionals who want candid advice, networking, and real-world insights. It's especially useful for learning about workplace trends, negotiating strategies, and career growth. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of professional networking tools.